YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Ava.
I'm Cash.
And today, we're going to teach you how to make hot chocolate. So if you want to see that, keep on watching.
Yeah!
A-vlogging we will go, a-vlogging we will go. Hello, I do not know. A-vlogging we will go.
So, basically, and I know, just a little disclaimer, it was pretty cold. It was kind of cold here, which is why we wanted to make this video, because I like plan out the videos that we're gonna do in advance. So it's not cold here anymore, but it is cold in a lot of other states. So I figured we would just keep on making this video because, you know, just because it's not cold here doesn't mean that we can't make hot chocolate. I mean, who doesn't love hot chocolate? I mean,
if you don't, Jimmy, yeah, I see you, Jimmy.
Other than obviously lactose intolerant people, but you can just use silk milk or something like that if you have it.
It's not as good.
Okay, so just to get that disclaimer over with, now let's just get right on into it.
Yeah.
So let's get the things that we need here. So as you can see, these are the things that you will need. So things you will need, just if you don't know what any of these things are, this is cocoa powder. You can use like store cocoa powder, like the Hershey's one. I know that there's a Hershey's one, and I know that there's a Nestle one. However you say that. But we just have cocoa powder, not a mix or anything. We have some sugar. The sugar is very, very heavy. Some coffee cups. These are me and Cash's coffee cups for when we want coffee. Some spoons. Obviously, they don't have to be this long. And some milk. Now, as I said before, if you are lactose intolerant, use silk milk. Something like that. I love silk milk. It's just, we're using this for the demonstration. So,
For the people who aren't lactose intolerant.
So, basically, if you are lactose intolerant, just follow these steps, but with silk milk, it'll be the same thing, I promise. Okay, anyways, so let's push all these things to the side, Jimmy. Put them down there. Okay, so go down here with the bunch. Okay, so basically the first step is to pour how much milk that you want in there. So like how much hot chocolate you want.
Sprinkles?
Yes. Yay, we're gonna do all that. Now, obviously, me and Cash love hot chocolate, but we're not gonna pour that much because you know that it is kind of like, so like here maybe, which is where I poured mine. And then since my cup is taller and Cash's cup is wider, we're gonna have to fill his up to like right here. And this milk is so heavy. It's so heavy. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Okay, so now, this is when you would go put this back in the refrigerator. So that is what we are going to do. So we will see you in a short second. So we put our milk back, but now that you have your milk in the cup, you're going to heat this up for basically, if you don't like your hot chocolate that hot, you're gonna warm it up for like 45 seconds. But since we are adding other stuff to it later, me and Cash are going to warm ours up for maybe a minute. A minute. And also, you can, normally we put ours in for a minute 10, but you should normally put it in for like 45 seconds and then add an extra, oh, my math teacher is shaming me right now. I don't know, do the math. I don't know, put it on screen. 110 minus 45 equals, and then just add that amount of seconds. Sorry, I'm not in the math space right now, but, so me and Cash are gonna go heat these up for a minute and 10 seconds, and I guess we'll be right back again.
Yay.
And you're we'll just hit you in the face. And you're basically just going to take the cocoa powder. Now don't put your face near the cocoa powder because when you open the bag, it will come flying out at you. See? I don't know if you can see that. It's coming flying out of the bag.
It's like so much.
So Cash, take a spoon. And you're basically just like a spoon, not one of those big spoons, like a medium-sized spoon. And you are going to have one heaping spoonful in there.
It's not working.
Oh, Cash, gotta put it in the bag. And then you're basically just gonna mix it until you don't see
half a spoon?
No, a heaping spoonful. And you're basically just gonna mix until all those little clumps are gone. Now we all don't like those little clumps when you get them in your mouth and then you chew them and it's like the raw cocoa powder. We all don't like that. You know that you don't like it. Don't lie. We're just going to take some sugar. Now you don't have to put a lot, but normally with cocoa, with this much cocoa, you want to add like 2 spoonfuls. They're not heaping. You don't want to add like a lot of sugar, but yeah, like that definitely needs more sugar.
Give me some
More sugar. Okay, now Cash's turn.
more sugar. Sugar.
So good. So, when you have your hot chocolate, and also, I'm gonna insert a picture right here of what we are making. Okay, that is the picture. Now, when you have your hot chocolate, now, this is totally optional. You can take whipped cream and sprinkles and put them on top, which we are going to do, but I need to go get the whipped cream. So I'm gonna be right back again. So, okay, so just bringing this up. Is your whipped cream can this tall? I don't know, this is like the size of my face. Okay, so basically, you're just going to take this, obviously take the spoon out. So good. And then you're just going to these are our hot chocolate. That is mine. That is Cash's. Yours don't have to look like this because obviously if you don't add whipped cream or sprinkles, you're just gonna have like a little, you're just gonna have like the chocolate part underneath, just like that. You're just gonna have like this chocolate part underneath, and then the sprinkles will just float magically. So, those are what it should look like without the whipped cream and sprinkles and with the whipped cream and sprinkles. So yeah. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make hot chocolate. We hope you make it because it is delicious and we want to share this taste with you. It's so good. But, anyways, we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, and if you want to be part of our HurriKids family, subscribe and turn on those post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video. And we love you guys so much. Bye!